Hello, we're excited to hear that you're interested in a new telephone number. With millions of numbers to choose from in the NumberBarn marketplace, we'll help you find the perfect one. Customers contact us every day in search of the perfect telephone number. Perhaps you're a business owner looking for a vanity telephone number to make your business stand out. Or maybe you signed up for a brand new mobile phone plan and you aren't thrilled with the number selection offered to you by your wireless carrier. Whatever your motivation, we have a number for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of searching for and purchasing a telephone number. The NumberBarn website features a powerful search function to help you find the number you're looking for. Let's walk through a scenario together, shall we? Tim over at Pudgy Pig Rescue is looking for a great new telephone number to make it easier for people to contact their business. First, Tim moseys on over to NumberBarn.com, and since his business is all about helping lonely pigs find forever homes, he types the word pig and clicks Search Numbers. He sees options for local and toll-free numbers and decides to go with a local number. And since the rescue is located in Escondido, California, he selects California as the state and enters 760 as the area code. To narrow it down even further, he goes over to the city filter and finds Escondido in the list. Terrific news! There are 21 numbers that end in pig in Escondido. But what if he wants the number to start with pig? Easy peasy. Tim simply goes to the search box and types 4 stars or asterisks after the word pig. The asterisk acts as a wildcard placeholder so you can move the position of a word or pattern within the 7-digit phone number. Oops, there are no numbers that start with pig in Escondido. But if he goes back to the city filter, there's a great number in nearby San Marcos that fits the criteria. Tim sees that the number has a get it now time frame, which means he can add it to his cart, check out, and expect to have access to that number within a couple of hours. While we're on this topic, be sure to pay close attention to the order fulfillment time frame. In some cases, we can complete your order in a couple of hours, while others may take up to 7 to 10 business days. We do our very best to fulfill all orders within that promised time window. To ensure there are no delays, we always advise customers to watch for emails from NumberBarn in the event that we require additional response or action before completing the order. As another word of caution, if you plan to port your number to another carrier, it's always a good idea to check in with that carrier to make sure they can support the number before you place your order with NumberBarn. Many major carriers allow you to check porting compatibility directly from their website. Now let's look at another scenario. Barb owns a heating and air conditioning business and wants a catchy toll-free number to print on her vans and trucks. She goes to NumberBarn.com and enters HVAC or HVAC in the search box. She then selects toll-free at the top of the screen and selects the 888 toll-free area code. From there, she sees many toll-free numbers ending in HVAC. She notes that some numbers are available for a monthly license fee, and others are available for purchase. What's the difference, you ask? Let's take a quick look at the key differences between licensing and purchasing numbers. When you license a number, you are often getting access to a premium telephone number at a fraction of the cost. Many have a one-time setup fee and then a monthly license fee. The number can be used with NumberBarn, Number Garage, and String plans, which also carry a monthly fee. It cannot be ported to another service provider, and you can choose to cancel at any time. When you purchase a number, you pay a one-time setup fee, and then select the appropriate monthly plan on NumberBarn, Number Garage, or String. A purchase number can be ported to another service provider at any time. After some thought, Barb decides that she only wants to see the numbers listed for sale, so she selects For Sale Only over on the left side, and then finally selects a catchy number with the 1 to 2 day activation time frame. Keep an eye out for emails from NumberBarn to minimize unnecessary delays, and be sure to hold off on purchasing marketing materials or having your trucks painted or wrapped until your order has been completed. We've already looked at some of the filtering options, but we offer a few more to help you narrow down your search based on category, pattern, and price. On the left side of your screen, you can narrow down your search by category. In the case of Barb, rather than simply entering HVAC, she could select the Home Improvement category to find other home-related numbers. If HVAC isn't available, what about a number ending in cool or cooler? Next, search for numbers with specific patterns instead of a particular spelling. For example, if Tim at the Pig Rescue wants to really stand out, a repeater number like 760-677-7777 is nearly impossible to forget. And finally, use the price filter to find numbers within a price range. We have numbers ranging in price from $5 to hundreds of thousands of dollars, so you're sure to find one that fits your budget. But be careful not to limit yourself to those price ranges. For certain premium numbers, be on the lookout for the gray Make an Offer button. Wherever you see this button, you may actually be able to negotiate a better price. Simply enter a price that fits your budget along with your email address, and you'll be emailed if your offer is accepted or rejected. Also note that there will be times where an asking price will not be listed, but you are welcome to make an offer. For certain premium telephone numbers, you will see a Contact Agent button. Click it and provide your contact details, and a member of our Solutions Squad will reach out to you to discuss the terms of the sale. One question we hear often from customers is, do I need to select a monthly plan when I purchase a number? The answer is yes. NumberBarn is a telephone service provider, so you do need to have a monthly service plan in order to keep your telephone number active. The great news is that our plans start at just $2 per month and are always month to month. If you decide to port your telephone number to another carrier, you will no longer be charged for service from NumberBarn. We hope that this video has helped you find the perfect telephone number. For any questions that arise, be sure to turn to our Help Center for many helpful solutions and guides. And if you need a bit more help during the number buying process, we have members of our Solutions Squad standing by to help. Simply click on our support widget and select Buy a New Number, or go to Contact Us on our website and click Speak with Sales to schedule a call with our team. Thank you for shopping for telephone numbers at the barn.